Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate destination for language exploration and vocabulary enhancement. Today, we're going to unravel the word incongruous. So, what does incongruous mean in English? Simply put, incongruous describes something that is not in harmony or keeping with the surroundings or other aspects of something. It often refers to things that are out of place or inconsistent. According to various dictionaries, incongruous can be synonymous with terms like discordant, inconsistent, and incompatible. But let's not stop there. Let's explore a plethora of synonyms to truly grasp the nuanced meanings associated with incongruous. From incongruous to unfitting, each synonym offers a unique perspective on the concept of discordance or inconsistency. For example, you might say, the modern furniture looked incongruous in the old-fashioned house, or his cheerful demeanor seemed incongruous with the somber mood of the room. That wraps up our exploration of the incongruous. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is the key to unlocking new avenues of expression. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive.